Well, we have just introduced a very great feature in it because people used to be very worried about how to upload our bulk inventory into it. So for that, we now have a bulk import feature here, which we have added to it. For that, you will need to go to bulk import. Okay, from frame inventory, you will download the sample file from here to see what kind of file format you should have, okay, to upload it. Okay, the templating has downloaded here. Now I will open it on it will be a blank template. On here you have to enter brands, model number, and color. You can also skip some things. For example, if you do not have the shape name, the frame name, or the frame, you can skip those as well. Now you can paste your data here from wherever it is, whatever you have. I have pasted the sample data here, and now I will save it. I have saved it by pressing Ctrl S. Now I will come back into the app, and my third step will be to upload the file, which is our file. We will select this file from here, the one we created. For example, this one is better. I will select it here. So look, all 8 of my frames have been imported. Even if there were 1000, they would have been imported too. This is an easy way for bulk import. There we can see that all our frames have arrived along with their sizes and full details. The stock levels and everything else have been imported from the file. You do not need to upload them manually one by one. Okay, besides this, you can also do these lenses. You can import lenses the same way. You can import contact lenses. You can also import products. So this is a very great feature, the bulk import feature that we have introduced in it.
I will tell you about other features we have added in the next video.